Hey guys, today we're doing random cleaning and decluttering. It's just stuff we had to do anyway and thought you may want to come along with us. Hope you enjoy, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button. Okay, I'm just tackling one drawer in my dresser today. I do this a lot. I'll just pick one thing to declutter in the house. It's kind of a stress relief for me because I get to see instant results and it doesn't take too long. This is where all of my lounge clothes are, my lounge pants and my t-shirts, and you can tell I don't care if they're wrinkled because I just wear them around the house, and I also don't care if they're folded inside out. That's just the way I do it. But I do care if I can't close the drawer because there's too much stuff in there, so I'm gonna go through it, give some stuff to Goodwill, put some stuff in storage, and only keep my favorites in the drawer to give myself some more room.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.
Scott's going to clean the outside of the grill with dish soap and water. Just a quick clean to get most of the grime off, but it's not going to be perfect because the grill is pretty old and cleaning the inside and replacing the grates will come on another day. A little at a time is how we do things whenever we have a few minutes to spare. So we have a basket in the garage labeled Goodwill, and this overflowing pile is finally going to get dropped off. It's been here so long that the pile keeps growing, and sometimes I'll dig through it to look for something to use again, which is inevitable. That's why it's a mess, and it's also why I should take the stuff right away so it doesn't end up back in the house. But at the end of this clip, you'll finally see the empty basket that's ready for more donations.
Act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa. This could be magical.
It's time to clean up my makeup brushes, and I'm going to try dish soap this time. Usually I use baby shampoo or some other kind of shampoo, whatever I have on hand usually. But I'm going to try to soak them in soapy water for 10 minutes and then wash them up and rinse them out. And it turned out pretty good. The only tip I have is to dry them tilted downwards, which you'll see at the end is what I do.
Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna
If this is the first time you landed on the Living Gratefully channel, we are so glad you're here. My name is Cathy and my husband is Scott, and we post new videos every week on a variety of topics. And we'd love for you to join the Living Gratefully family, so before you leave, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!